Hey, this is Nepal with my good buddy Burundi. How you doing, Burundi? I'm doing great. Where's Rwanda though? I don't know. Like, it might be coming. I don't know.
What?
What's the question?
Victoria Falls.
Zimbabwe. This is Zimbabwe. Where's my good brother Zambia? Ah! No, I'm sorry. No. Bosnia and Herzegovina. Jeez, you. This is Bosnia. Oh.
Sweden.
Myanmar. Myanmar.
Yeah.
Myanmar.
So close to me, boy. Try something. I said close enough. Come here, hug me. Give me some chocolate.
No, don't talk about that. This is me, Myanmar. Whoa! What are they shaking?
A bit.
What happened? Quit with this.
You smell good. Brandenburg,
Germany.
I'm getting a bit hungry,
No.
but
Oh. Oh, you can see Nepal shaking. Isn't Nepal shaking?
Yeah,
That one over there?
the Great Sphinx is
Egypt.
Eritrea.
No.
But they both start with letter E.
This is Egypt. Oh no. You're pushing me.
Sean.
Paraguay.
Sean.
Paraguay.
I don't know.
And Sincion?
Xinjiang.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Hey!
Hey! The Golden Pavilion.
Japan.
It's in Japan!
Yep, it is in Japan. Konnichiwa, Nihon.
So good! Konnichiwa.
Oh. He disappeared.
The Brown Stone.
Island. Island.
Iraq.
Ireland! They're two different countries. One in Asia, one in Europe.
Ireland is in Asia?
What? No! Arrakis!
It's Iraq.
That, Deutschland coming to ruin Paraguay's life. Stop.
Oh, Maldives.
No.
No, wait. I can. Cyprus.
No.
Lesotho.
No.
Somalia?
Yes.
Really?
Is the Somali flag?
I thought Somali flag would be like more cooler. No offense.
Like pirates?
Yeah, I guess so.
Because you know the Somali pirates?
Yep.
This is Moria.
Luxembourg, Austria.
What? Luxembourg, the capital? What? No, it's
Ireland.
it's Luxembourg.
Oh, is it like Singapore is
Yes.
Netherlands?
What? No. No, I don't think the capital is north of the country. By the way.
Then Bishan.
What? I mean, Bishan is at the central, right?
Yeah.
So, I think Luxembourg, the capital, is in the middle. I think. I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa! Germany's going up. Is Germany going towards the right?
Yeah. Located in Europe. Chile.
No.
Seychelles.
No.
Seychelles.
No,
Mozambique.
No, that's not the
Teach
answer.
me Togo.
No.
Pico Togo.
No.
Montenegro.
Europe.
Yeah.
Yes, Montenegro. They're all African nations too.
Really?
Yes, they're all African nations. Whoa! He's like last. Oh! By the way, I just found out that Somalia didn't actually explode. He just fell down.
I
Yes.
need to take the chicken out of the freezer. I'll be right back, okay? I'll be
Okay.
back, viewers.
Alright.
Give me some time, break time.
Yeah, sorry for the delay, everybody. Ark! This is so embarrassing. I hope she comes back anytime soon. Just like last time on Pate. Actually, it was my brother, not my sister. She appeared in Making Explosions Do. The chicken. How long does it take? This is just getting ridiculous. How long is it gonna be? Huh? My business are doing not great. Why is it so slow? I don't care anymore. Actually, yeah, you took what? I told you we should have. Whatever. Let's just talk about it. Whatever this question.
I got donut. Nassau.
Bahamas.
Mama.
This is Bahamas. Bahamas. Oh, wow. Look at me.
Located in NA. Oh no.
What?
Singapore.
No. I told you. Singapore's not North America.
Morocco.
What? No.
Samoa.
No.
Malaysia.
Huh?
Canada.
Canada. Hey, big Canada, hey. Oh!
Texting father. Minsk. I know.
Belarus.
I said I knew it.
But I know you're gonna give like a wasting answer.
No.
Like last time. Whoa! I hate when that. Oh, it's the Venezuelan flag.
I don't know.
I know all the flags. I told you.
Describe it.
Coat of arms in the corner, left hand corner, yellow, blue, red with 8 stars forming a rainbow.
Wow.
Each star represents a like a state or like divisions in Venezuela.
Wow, interesting.
Yes, Guyana was one of them, and then declared independence.
Oh. Dang, that hurts. Parthenon.
Parthenon?
Greece.
Does it have Greece?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, Greece.
There's another one?
Just press Greece. I will tell you if you press it. Actually, the Pantheon, it sounds like the Parthenon. I'll get mixed up.
Mm.
You know the Pantheon? You know where is it located?
No.
It's located in Italy.
Mm. Pero in Asia,
Asia.
Cabo Verde,
No.
Solomon Islands,
No.
DR, Dominican Republic,
No.
Georgia,
Wait, what was the question?
located in Asia.
Yeah, Georgia. Okay. I'm gonna put Georgia right over. Oh! Georgia's shaking rapidly! Look at it go, it's like. Look at him go!
Mm-hmm.
Look at him over here.
Yep. Monaco.
The capital?
Mm.
Obviously, it's Monaco.
Are you sure?
It's Monaco. See? It was right. Huh? That doesn't make any sense. What? Whoa! Did you see that?
No. I wish I did.
Yeah, I didn't even see it. Maybe Venezuela just push Canada. Maybe because of Georgia's powers.
That's crazy, man.
This question.
Next question. Located in the regions of Africa.
South America.
Same thing.
Dude, South Africa is in Africa.
Well, too bad. Czechia, Japan, South Sudan, or Kazakhstan.
What? How dare you? Wait, what? Located where?
Africa. This is right there. Located in the region of Africa.
Dude, I thought you meant South America, lol.
No, it just says Africa.
Oh, wait, what is the question? Wait, what's the options?
answers, Kazakhstan, South Sudan, Japan, or Czechia.
It's South Sudan! You tricked me! Why did you trick me?
I said Africa, then you were
No, because you said South Africa, so why?
Wait, did I did?
Yeah, you said South Africa.
Sorry.
See, I got confused there.
I'm
Oh!
Dang, everyone's gone now except for two. I don't know who's that.
Dude, Venezuela just jumped up into the air.
And it's gone.
That's crazy.
That's crazy. Borobudur.
Uh-oh, here comes Indonesia.
Oh no.
This is Indonesia. I'm gonna curse you all. Ooh. Okay, I wonder if Indonesia is gonna like. Do you remember it launches off?
No.
I mean to the right. Okay, this is the Bahrainian flag. Bahrain. No, that's United Kingdom.
I know, but that was UK there.
Oh, this is Bahrain. Oh no. Bahrain is inside the Borneo. Is inside Borneo. Look at him. He's inside of Borneo over there.
Yeah.
You can see a little bit teeny pitty of Bahrain.
Of what? Bahrain? Or Bahrain?
Bahrain, I meant to say.
Which country? Look at it in Europe. Norway, man.
Yeah, Europe. Yes.
Norway. Quick, make the sound.
Norway, man.
No, not that.
Oh. Actually, this is not country and cooking.
I know, but I like the sound. Can you? Thank you.
This is Norway. Oh no! Oh no! Norway and Indonesia are combining into one. Nordonesia.
Yeah.
Or Inway.
Norway, man. This country is located in the region of Europe.
Yeah.
France.
Yep. Oui, I forgot to say oui.
Oui. Bonjour.
Bonjour, this France. Oh, Corsica's inside of it. Oh, Bahrain. What? Oh, Bahrain came out. Bahrain came out. Didn't expect that.
Hagia Sophia.
Oh, Hagia Sophia is Turkey.
Hana?
It's no, just Turkey. Whatever. That's me, Turkey. Go.
Wow, I let you cut G.
Shush. Are you shaking rapidly?
See? No, not yet.
But you're shaking?
Nope.
Just, oh, right.
This country is located in Africa, South Africa.
Africa?
No,
This time is South Africa.
just kidding.
Oh.
South Korea, DR, Dominican Republic, Chile, or Cote d'Ivoire.
Africa?
Yeah,
Cote d'Ivoire.
yeah, I knew it.
I just learned that Cote d'Ivoire's English name is Ivory Coast. I just learned that.
Oh, so they're both the same thing?
I just realized Ivory Coast is actually... Stop biting.
How do you know I was biting?
Because you're pulling. Oh no! Oh no! Stop! The viewers are gonna think that you're crazy.
But I'm hungry.
Ah!
What? Frog?
Thailand.
Bagels?
No, he's in Vietnam, not Thailand. And by the way, I've been to Thailand actually. That's why I never.
Oh, you never tell the viewers how's your trip to Thailand?
And also I was sick
Oh yeah.
at that time. This is Thailand. Oh, look at that combination of countries. Look at them. Oh, that's a group of
And
countries.
for what?
Cambodia.
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 Cambodia. Cambodia. Cambodia. This is me, Cambodia. Don't leave me this time, Indonesia. Oh, Thailand, you're here? Yes, I am here.
Majuro.
Marshall Islands.
More like Marshall Islands.
Disney Marshall Islands. I'm gonna hang out inside Norway.
Thanks, man.
What do you mean, thanks?
Thanks, my guy.
I don't get it.
Your mama.
Dude, we're recording a video here.
Wait, I'm not allowed to say that.
Why did you say that? This is a family-friendly channel.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's all your fault.
Wait, that's not that bad.
Why do you do that?
I say your mom is pretty.
Great, now we don't have to make this for kids.
It's not a bad.
No, why do you do that?
Okay, last explosion, okay?
Fine.
Which country is located in Oceania? Greece.
No,
Czechia?
no,
Yeah, Egypt.
no. Yeah,
Tuvalu?
Tuvalu. This is me, Tuvalu. I'm gonna sing, so I'm scared. Are you shaking?
No.
Still not. Still got a great combination of countries. Is it just white and red?
Yeah.
Oh, it's the Poland flag. This is Polska. Oh no! He ruined. Oh, France is gone. Sorry, France. Au revoir.
Colosseum.
Italy. Italy.
I thought it was Rome.
What? Rome is not a country. I mean, Vatican is surrounded by Rome. And
Vatican City?
yeah, the Vatican. Ciao, this is Italia. Oh, I'm gonna get brain rotted. Uh-oh. Yes, I'm gonna get brain rotted! What's gonna happen? Cote d'Ivoire. Did Cote d'Ivoire just got launched off into the. I don't know what happened.
True gonna jump up.
South Africa. Eat me, South Africa. Whoa. Uh-oh. Oh, what's happening? What's happening, guys? Hello? South Africa, what do you done this? I don't know. It's just a great idea to just hang out.
Buenos Aires.
Argentina. Oh, no. This is going to leave a mark. Don't cry for me, Argentina. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, no. Look at them go. I mean, whoa, is that Italy? Over there on the top, shaking? It looks like Italy.
Stockholm.
Sweden.
Sweden. Yeah.
This is Sweden.
What happened?
I don't know what happened, but oh no, they're going. Oh, they're like, nah, I'm out of here. Argentina has like a tail.
Chichen Itza.
Mexico. Oh,
We gotta wrap it up soon because I need to do something.
okay. See this Mexico? Uh-oh, it's combined to Argentina. That's bad. Uh-oh, this is bad. It's gonna lead to a big explosion. I remember Portugal just launched Mexico. I mean, he's the one who got launched off.
Yeah. Islamabad. How do you
Pakistan.
pronounce it? Sorry.
Islamabad.
I was right.
Pakistan. This is me, Pakistan.
I sacrificed my own life for Pakistan.
That's my bad copyrighted. Do you think it's copyrighted?
No.
Oh! What happened?
Oh, there goes everyone.
Yep, Pakistan's just lying there. I mean, I don't even know what's Pakistan doing there. Huh?
Are we done yet?
I don't know. Actually, this
Because I
question.
need to do the
What's the
chicken.
question?
Porto Novo.
Benin.
Unless you want me to wait. Unless you want to wait again.
I think we have to wrap it up when everybody's on the platform. Oh,
Which country is located in Europe? Czechia, Argentina, Bolivia, Burkina Faso.
Europe.
Yeah,
It's wait. You said Czechia.
yeah.
Czechia. Disney Czechia. Oh no. They keep. Okay.
Taj Mahal.
India. Oh no. Disney India. I'm gonna kiss you all. Okay, I don't even know what happened. I'm gonna crush you, Pakistan. No, you don't. No, you don't. I win. I win. Yes, I win. I win. I win.
What's happening, man? Which country is located in Africa? And North Macedonia, Libya, Belarus.
Africa?
Yeah.
Africa's Libya. I didn't expect that. I win. I'm gonna lip you out of there. What did you just say to me? Oh no, what's gonna happen, Olivia? I don't know. Take you away, I guess.
Okay, man. Last one. Okay, Texas. Last one.
Next
Okay.
question.
Baku.
Azerbaijan.
Alright.
This is Azerbaijan. Armenia doesn't show up. What they are even doing at this point? Oh, is that Azerbaijan? What happened? Who's that underground? I don't know. Is the flag of Liechtenstein?
Liechtenstein.
Liechtenstein. Yes. This is Liechtenstein.
Alright, I need to do the chicken already.
Yes, I know.
Unless you want to wait.
Oh, I can wait.
Just press it earlier. Might take some time.
I really wish. I mean, never mind. Well, Libya's a bit I think he's rising. Oh, it's just southern Pakistan. Still underground? Huh? Is Pakistan that tall or something? I don't know what's happening. Well. See? I told you I'd wait patiently.
Okay.
Okay.
Sorry about that. Kigali.
Rwanda! Oh my gosh! It's like Burundi, but the start of a bit. Oh. This is Rwanda. Where's Burundi now? I heard he's at the start of the video. Where's Burundi?
Petronas Tower, Singapore.
No, it's Malaysia.
Oh, I thought the same.
Huh? No. What? The Marina Bay Sands is like the. I mean, yeah, Petronas has like multiple towers, and the Marina Bay Sands has that too, right?
Yeah.
So you're technically not wrong. Alright, there's Malaysia. Oh, they're getting out from the platform. Oh, Pakistan is still sticking on that platform though. What appears to be. Whoa! Oh, look! What's happening? What is the question?
Press the red arm.
Oh, Brazil! This is me, Brazil! I'm gonna crush you all! What happened? I don't understand what just happened just now.
Easter Island.
Chile!
Read the sound.
This is Chile the stick! Oh, Pakistan! How is Pakistan still sticking on that platform? How? How is that even possible?
I don't know. Bishkek.
Kyrgyzstan. This makes Kyrgyzstan look like a bird. Uh-oh. Oh! Oh! What happened? That leave a mark. Pakistan came out. I mean, Pakistan just came out from Brazil, actually. It's Christian.
Lisbon.
Portugal. Uh-oh. Portugal! This is Portugal. Uh-oh. Oh! They're gonna explode. Oh, they're gonna explode anytime. It is getting scary. Oh no. Oh, what's the question? What's the question? Before it explodes.
Kremlin.
Oh, Russia! Russia!
Oh no.
This is Russia. I'm gonna crush you all! Oh, everybody leave from the platform!
Hey, brother. Do you want food?
I'm gonna wrap it up, so bye.
Bye!